What you say, Han?
Street vendor.
You got all your clothes across the street?
Yeah, street vendor.
The street vendor?
Yeah. Leon.
Oh, Mara's got her clothes across the street. Mara's got her clothes across the street. In the daytime, she puts them over here. Oh, you're getting lighting set up for tonight, huh?
Yeah.
I just got a couple bulbs in there. You'll be able to see it from miles away. Oh my God! I wonder where she got that from, Myra. Oh my God! You've been watching Myra too long. Oh my God!
Marunong.
And more dresses over here.
Yeah.
And Christine over here.
Hello. I am street vendor, honey.
You're a street vendor now?
Yes. Selling clothes, selling food.
Selling clothes, selling food.
Model.
A model? Okay, there you go. We got a model. Everybody down the street, you have to yell, food, food, to get them down here, huh? They're all playing down at the end.
Selling clothes and selling food.
Selling clothes and selling foods, huh?
Yes.
Okay, hon. Maybe I'll see if I can get a thing tomorrow when you can talk about your clothes a little bit.
Yeah.
She got a batch of new clothes in today. But they're here. And you've got another store, another two stores. I know this is just a little chunk of them. There's a lot of clothes out there. Just a little piece.
Someday I am dreaming, honey.
You're dreaming? You're dreaming someday?
Yes, I put second floor and make Myra's hanging restaurant. For VIP for only senior citizens.
Oh, so you're going to put a second floor on this?
Yes.
Oh, all right.
Myra's hanging restaurant. Ano, for VIP, ano.